think we were 10th in Group A, but we got some damage unfortunately, I hit the wall in practice and bent the left rear suspension. So fixed it as much as we could for qualifying, but definitely lost some pace with that, and the camber and toe was all off, so we'll have to go to the back and fix all that. But I thought the car, up to that point, the track was just starting to kind of come in, and I thought I was okay. I thought I was getting better. I was like fourth on the board, and then once we bent it, we just were behind, and then we just didn't have the pace after the damage. So we'll fix it up, and unfortunately, this isn't a place we really wanted to start at the back, but we'll have to do that.
How much the way this weekend's going so far, the aha moments you've seen, and just looking around, how are you taking it all in?
I think it's amazing. I mean, this is a really cool event. I've come to Chicago one time when I was younger, when the Panthers played here, and I growing up in a city in Charlotte, obviously not as massive as this, but it's a really similar environment, and it's a lot of fun, really. I mean, I think this is great for our sport, and it's fun to just be in a hotel up the street and just be able to come down and go race and feel like I can go out there and make laps around the streets. It's really cool views. Going into turn 7 is pretty neat. The view of the city there.
How much of a feel for the car did you get in the track, especially did you get before you rode?
Yeah, I got a decent feel. I just wish I hadn't made that mistake. So, I hit the wall, and at that point it was just, I still did learn the track. I just didn't have the grip and the speed to do it.
Mm-hmm. So how did this translate from any sim you were able to get? Did you do a Chevy
Yeah.
Did you do iRacing? What did you do? How does it translate?
Yeah, it was pretty reasonable. I thought the sim, besides maybe turn 7, which they set up last night, but besides that, I mean, everything else felt pretty reasonable, I think. So pretty happy with that, and I thought they did a great job setting the track up.
What do you need to do to get to the front?
I don't know. We'll see.